Welcome to Theory of Computation. I'm going to give an explanation for undecidable problem solutions. There are three different solutions are possible. One is a Rice theorem. Rice theorem says that all non-trivial properties of a language is undecidable. And the second solution is a post-correspondence problem. So undecidable problems can be solved based upon instances of a post-correspondence problem. So how can we give an instance of this string means we should consider two different strings. Let us take A and B. A and B are list of strings. So which contains set of strings W1 to Wk. The same set of strings are also available in X1 to Xk, different formations of strings under B. So if you want to find instances of PCP, then the instances means an integer value. Integer value which will be taken as I. It may be I1, I2, I3 like that. That should be an equivalent value. So if you take the second value of list A, we should also take the second value of list B. So the first instance I am taking as I is an instance. So I am taking the second string means we should take list A second string and also list B second string. Then at second time if I am taking the first value of list A means I should also take the first value of list B. Like that I should frame all the values. So if you take instance means all set of strings from 1 to k should be taken from list A and also in list B. At last those values should be equal. So if the values are equal, then there is a solution for given set of strings. Otherwise, there is no solution. So this is the post correspondence problem. So consider an example. Here they will give list A and list B. So list A are Wi. So Wi means there are three different strings. So I put the name as 1, 2, 3. It is an I value. So the first notation of A is W1, W2, W3 like that. The same set of notations are also for list B. Instead of W, I am using X variable. So it will be written as X1, X2, X3 like that. So instance means you should check the value. So how can we frame instance? Those set of strings should be equal. So if I am taking first string, first values are equal. So you can able to take 1 as an instance. Then if you consider second string list A contains 5 symbols, list B contains 2 symbols and the first 2 symbols are equal. So you can either take 2 as the first instance value. For example, I am taking I as 1. So this is list A, this is list B. Suppose if I am taking list 1 as a first instance, you should write W1 value. W1 value is 1 and the X1 value is 111. Then these instance should be equal. So the remaining pending strings in list A should be starting with 11. But there is no string with 11 format in list A. So we cannot able to take 1 as a first instance. Are you understand it? So consider I am taking 2 as a first instance. So if I am taking 2, list A first value is 10111. The same second string value is 10. So the first 2 symbols are equal. The remaining 3 extra values in list A is 111. So I want to check 111 value in list B because I want to fill those 2 values are equal. So 111 value is available but it is a first instance. So I am taking first instance value. So what is your list A first instance? It contains only single one. List B for first instance value 111. So here 111. So 10111 is filled. Extra one is available. This is list A extra 1. So list B extra 1 means additional 1. So additional 1 means you should once again taking one value here. So it is 1, it is triple 1. So 1 is equal. So the remaining values are double 1, extra double 1. So I am taking third instance. So the third instance first string is 10 and it is 0. So you write the value here 10 triple 1 double 1 10. And the list B value is 10 triple 1 triple 1 0. So these strings are equal. So and I use the instances as 2, 1, again 1 and 3. So I frame all the values from I equal to 1 to k. There are 3 values are available. I am using all these 3 values. Using those 3 values, the lists are same. So it can able to find a solution. So the instance of PCP is 2113. And this is the list A and list B, another problem. So here these are all the strings. So the first strings are equal at list A and list B. So I am writing first string here. So it is 10101. So list A should starts with 1. So either you can able to write 1 or 3. Here I am writing 3. So it is 101. Its equivalent B value is 011. So again extra 1 is there. So I am taking 3. Again 10101. So it is repeated. So in no situation A and B strings are equal. So there is no solution for the given problem. So using this way we can able to find a solution based upon PCP. Thank you.